Hi there, I'm This is just another video of me solving random problem. So let's um so today we have the first Polish notation. So we are given an array of string tokens that represent an arithmetic expression in reverse Polish notation. Evaluate the expression, return an integer to represent the value of the expression. So we will not have any division by zero. Balance operator is gonna be plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Each operand might be integer or another expression, and then the division between two integers over truncated equal to 0. Okay, so we need to use the method trunk here. So remember the method floor and trunk are pretty different. Floor gonna like route to the smallest integer, right? So they work the same when they are with a positive integer, but when we have negative, right? The floor gonna route it to 4, but the trunk gonna route to -3. Right? But if it is positive, then they are maybe like the same. Right? Yeah, just a quick note for JavaScript user. Okay. Okay. So 32-bit. So let's look at the example here. Okay. So let's look at 10, 6, 9, 3, 9, 3 plus -11. Multiply, divide, multiply, multiply, divide, multiply. 17 plus 5 and plus. Okay, so as you can see, reverse Polish notation, right? It's gonna take uh the first operators. Sorry, the first two number first, right, and then the operators. So we need to like evaluate, right, uh, in a in conventional way. So normally the plus gonna be here, right? Now, this is gonna give us the two operators before the operators. So you can see here, it's gonna be 12, right? 9 plus 3, 12, right? So we can put it as 12, right? And you can see 12 and -11 here, right? And it is multiply, right? So this part, right, would be 12, right? And this part, we're going to multiply, gonna be negative 120, right? Minus 12, so minus 132, I think, 132, right? And then we have like this part, right? 6 minus 132, and then this part, right, which is 2, 18, 19, -7 something, I think. Okay, and then we have oh sorry, it is not multiply, right? My bad drawing. So this is like this, right? Right, and this is the six. It's between that, and then it is 132, right? And it is the six is the multiply. Multiply. Yeah. So we have 6 divided by negative 132, right? We're gonna have negative. We're gonna have 0, right? Conquer to 0, right? And we have right 10 multiplied by 0, right? Which is 0 here, right? And we have this, right? Part 0 plus 17 is 17, right? And we said 17, 17 and 5. 17 multiplied by 5. Oh, the last one is plus. Yeah, the last one is plus. So 17 plus 5 is 22. And the final result is 22. So as you can see, it is we always look for the first two number first, right? So we can use a stack to do this. We can just keep adding the number into our tree. And every time we see an operator, right, we can just pop off the last two elements and do the operation, right, which is 12. And we can add it back to the stack, right, like this. And now we have 11, right? Now we see another operator. So we gonna pop the last two off and then do the operation, right? And then push it back. So negative 132, right? So now we have divide. So we pop off the last two, right? And do the operation and if it's 0 and we push it back, right? And now we have multiply. So we pop out the last two, do the operation and add it back. Right? We just have 0 here. Now it's 17, right? Now plus. Okay, so it is an operator. We pop out the last two, do the operation, add it back. 5, right? Now we see a number of operators, pop it off, right? And then add. And at the end, we just return the first element of the expression. Okay. This is very easy to do this using a stack here. Okay, so we just have a stack of an empty string, sorry, an empty array. And we can return stack.pop. And we need to iterate over each token, right? So if the token is an operator, right? And then we will pop it off. We will pop it off. So node one equal to stack.pop. Node two, right? And we need to push the new result in there. So if token is equal to plus, right? Is number one plus number two. Otherwise, if token is equal to minus, then it's number one minus number two. Else, if token equal to multiply, it's number one divided by two. Else, it is divide, right? You can do massive chunk of number one divided by two. Okay. So if it is a an operator, right, we're gonna pop off the last two and then calculate the result here, right? And then push it back into the stack. If it is not an operator, we can just push it into stack. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's double check our logic here. So if the of operators, if the token is an operators, and when we pop off two element from the stack, right? Then we push it back. So if it is a plus, we know one plus num two. I probably should have a parenthesis like this, just to make sure. Let's quickly try it again here. Okay. So if it is a minus, then num1 minus num2. If it's a multiply, then num1 multiplied by num2. Otherwise, you can do math sum of num1 divided by num2. Okay. That's not correct. And then else, you're gonna push the token into our stack. And then we're gonna return the first element in the stack here. Let's print out a stack. If you debug this. So we have 10, 6, right, 9, and 3, right, up until this point. So we add 12, right? We see an operator plus. So we add 12 back, which is correct, right? And then we add 11, right? And then we have the multiply. We have negative 132, which is correct, right? And then we have the divide. So 6 divided by negative 132. Okay, so the first number we pop should be the second number, right? and because the second number gonna not be pop first and then the first number, right? So I need to just switch the order here. Okay, accept it. So orders matter here. It'll work. Thank you for watching.